ho dèiem amb el Tunys, anem al Broad Peak, però sempre tenim al davant el K2 amb tota la seva majestuositat. No sé ni parlar ja. Estem recuperant...
Lots of downloads.
Ja. Recuperant energia.
Last day. Not tomorrow also.
Yeah, big shop. Ready for this night. Go up.
Very hard.
Happy.
It's nice
Americans say tomorrow more good weather than today.
today, yeah? Oh, inshallah.
Inshallah.
We are very good place, everything good.
I'm happy also.
In the night, 9 o'clock is best, yeah.
Not talk too much. Only with us and maybe Sherpas. Maybe Sherpas early, but after we go together.
We should go up there. We should go there.
You think I'm cool, but I am not. You think that I am nonchalant.
Bé, aquí estem al Camp 3.
Think I'm hard,
La resta d'expedicionaris.
that I play the
El K2, el Bottleneck. Fa uns anys estàvem allà i avui somiem pujar al Broad Peak, però contínuament enfoquem el K2. Ara s'està tapant de núvols i aquí està el coll i aquí està el reste de companys que aquesta tarda sortirem amunt. Jo em trobo prou bé. Aquí veieu el meu carret. Ara em vestiré, una mica ens hidratarem. I el temps està canviant, però bueno, si es manté així sense lent, serem feliços i contents. Un moment màgic, with Luo Jin, with els porters, Yusuf, estan explicant la via. Ha arribat també Ali.
We are happy, came free.
Now, ara anem a instal·lar la tenda perquè ha arribat una noia de Noruega. Very, very happy, aquesta noia, perquè és el seu primer 8.000. Maybe, no? The first, inshallah, no?
Inshallah, tomorrow good weather, money Sherpa, money strong member.
And, yeah. Oh, excellent. Congratulations. But congratulations after summit.
Inshallah. Depend to weather. Weather good.
And Luo Jin, very happy this year. Everest, Nanga, maybe now, Broad Peak. Eh?
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
All finish and
This is 30.
Yes,
inshallah.
I'm very happy because high altitude porters very happy. Pakistani high altitude porters very strong and very happy.
This is Oscar's birthday, the last one.
And also many nationalities. Tunç also here from Turkey.